We have to move fast. Alam ba? Dami na, malaki na siya.
Made in Germany. Demonstration of one.
Yep, we're going in.
Going in. That is how it's picture taking inside.
Just slide a little bit further down, please, so that everybody can see something. Man called Franz Caderer, and this clock looked actually flat with a little bit of painting, because he was a really good clockmaker, but not a good carver at all. So the carvings you see here came later. The cuckoo always comes once on the hearth. At the hour it tells your time. 5 o'clock 5 times, 6 o'clock 6 times, and so on. Here, with these small weights here, like here and over there, those are called one-day clocks. That means you wind them by pulling back up the chains once a day. Cuckoo clocks with these big heavy weights you see here, those are 8-day clocks. You just wind them once in a week instead of every day. And a couple of years ago, they started making...
Bumili kami ng ref magnet. Saan? Nahulog pa yung 10 niya. Oh. Ayan. Oh. Okay. Ko. So, ganito ang binili namin. Ganito na ref magnet. Ayan. Parang cuckoo clock. Kasi hindi na namin afford yung the real cuckoo clock. So, ito na lang, ref magnet na lang. Yun lang ang kaya ng budget namin. 2 days pa lang. Ubus na yung budget namin. Ikaw, mucho ka pa. Mucho pa. Mucho baon. Mucho baon. I thought my sister.
And if you really like something, you can always come back and
Oh. Daddy, let's have another picture taken here. Okay, so itong simbahan yata to during the medieval time. So nandito kami, hinihintay namin si Pascal to pick us up.
There's Pascal. Ella, dali. 1, 2.
Nandun na si Ella. Complete na head count pa kami.